Imagine feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of everyday life, struggling to find a moment of peace amidst the constant noise and distractions. You long for a sense of calm and clarity, but don't know where to begin. That's where meditation comes in. It's not just about sitting still, it's a powerful tool for finding stillness within chaos. As the Buddha once said, meditation brings wisdom. Lack of meditation leaves ignorance. Know well what leads you forward and what holds you back. In this video, we'll explore meditation techniques specifically designed for beginners, unlocking the benefits that go beyond stress reduction. Let's embark on a journey to discover the profound significance of meditation in Buddhism and how it can transform your life one moment at a time. Creating your sanctuary for meditation. Finding a tranquil sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life is essential for a successful meditation practice. Picture a serene space, free from distractions, where you can retreat to reconnect with yourself. Whether it's a cozy corner of your home or a peaceful spot in nature, the key is to create an environment conducive to deep introspection. Begin by selecting a quiet location where you feel comfortable and at ease. It could be a spare room, a corner of your bedroom, or even a secluded spot in your backyard. Remove any clutter or distractions that might disrupt your focus, allowing your chosen space to become a sanctuary for inner peace. Once you've found your sanctuary, consider the ambience. Soft lighting, gentle music, or the natural sounds of birds chirping can enhance the atmosphere and promote relaxation. Experiment with different elements until you find what resonates with you personally. Now, let's talk about posture. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach, sitting comfortably with a straight spine is generally recommended. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion, kneel on a meditation bench, or even use a chair if that's more comfortable for you. The key is to find a posture that allows you to remain alert and attentive without strain. As you settle into your chosen posture, take a moment to tune into your surroundings. Notice the sensation of the ground beneath you, the gentle rhythm of your breath, and any sounds or smells in the air. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, letting go of any thoughts or worries from the outside world. Breath awareness. In the midst of life's chaos, the breath serves as an anchor to the present moment, guiding us back to a place of inner calm and clarity. Breath awareness is a fundamental meditation technique that invites us to observe the natural rhythm of our breath without judgment or interference. As the Buddha once said, "Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor." This profound wisdom reminds us of the power of conscious breathing as a steady anchor amidst the turbulence of our thoughts and emotions. To practice breath awareness, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself, then allow your breath to return to its natural pace. Notice the sensation of air flowing in and out of your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, and the subtle movements of your body with each breath. As you continue to observe your breath, you may notice your mind wandering or becoming distracted. This is natural. Simply acknowledge any thoughts or sensations that arise and gently guide your focus back to the breath. With each inhale and exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation and presence. Body scan. Meditation. Body scan meditation offers a profound opportunity to cultivate awareness and presence by systematically exploring the sensations in our bodies. As we move our attention from head to toe, we invite a deepening sense of connection and acceptance of our physical and emotional experiences. During a body scan meditation, find a comfortable position lying down or sitting with your spine straight. Close your eyes and begin by bringing your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations, such as tingling or warmth, without trying to change them. Slowly move your attention down through your body, paying attention to each area in turn. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort with a sense of curiosity and compassion. Allow your breath to guide you as you soften and release any areas of holding or resistance. With each passing moment, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, surrendering to the present moment with openness and acceptance. In the following segment, we'll delve into loving-kindness meditation and how it can cultivate compassion and connection within ourselves and others. Prepare to explore the boundless potential of the heart's capacity for love and kindness. Loving-kindness meditation. Loving-kindness meditation, also called metta meditation, fosters compassion and goodwill towards oneself and others. Grounded in the belief that all beings deserve happiness and peace, it offers profound inner growth and connection. Start by settling into a comfortable position, closing your eyes and taking deep breaths to center yourself. Envision a warm light in your heart, radiating love. Silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, healthy, safe, at ease," nurturing self-compassion. Extend these wishes to loved ones and even challenging individuals, visualizing them receiving your kindness. Observe any changes in your feelings, embracing warmth and vulnerability. By nurturing love within, you contribute to a more compassionate world. Dealing with distractions. Distractions, an inevitable part of meditation, often divert the mind from the present moment. Whether thoughts, external noises, or bodily discomfort, handling distractions mindfully is crucial. As the Buddha wisely said, "To understand everything is to forgive everything," highlighting the power of understanding and acceptance in fostering peace amid mental chaos. Approach distractions with gentle curiosity, not resistance. Observe thoughts or sensations passing like clouds in the sky without becoming entangled. If distractions persist, gently return focus to your anchor, breath, body sensations, or loving-kindness phrases. Use breath rhythm as a constant guide back to the present moment. Remember, meditation isn't about achieving perfect stillness, but cultivating compassionate awareness, distractions included. In the next segment, we'll conclude beginner meditation techniques and offer encouragement for your journey. Embrace the mind's ebb and flow with grace and compassion. As we conclude our exploration of meditation techniques for beginners, remember that the journey of meditation is not about perfection, but about practice. Each moment spent in mindfulness is an opportunity for growth, understanding, and self-discovery. Embrace the ups and downs of your practice with compassion and patience, knowing that every step forward is a step closer to inner peace and clarity. As the old monks teach us, the path of meditation is a journey of 1,000 steps, each one leading us closer to the truth within. Keep walking, keep breathing, and may your practice be filled with light and love. In the words of the Buddha, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Embrace the stillness within and continue your meditation journey with courage and compassion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buddhism Inspiration for more enriching content on meditation and Buddhist teachings.